Greetings and welcome to Magnets, Crystals, and Pyramids. I am Ankh Rising Sun, also known as Cousin Hanky or Uncle Hanky. And I am the craftsman, artist, innovator of crystal magnetic amulets for your personal empowerment, for your personal thriving. And beneath my hands, through these hands, from the heart of my I am, I serve you. And this video is how to correctly use the amulets, the bliss beads, and for brothers, the correct alignment of the beads to your neck, and for sisters, the correct alignment for the waist beads for optimal bliss. So let us begin by first acknowledging Ascended Master Ancestors. I am in me. I am in you. The listening audience now, in the future, and the past. In the name of love, call upon Simeon Toko, Shekamutu Bamba, Shek Ibrafah, Saint Germain, Nikolai Tesla, Wilhelm Reich, Sanat Kumara, Kuthumi, Buddha, Krishna, Black Madonna, Mother Mary, Heteru, Osset, Asar, Tahuti, Shishat. Call upon in the name of love, Prophet Noble Drew Ali, Marcus Mosaic Garvey, South African Zulu Shaman, Credo Mutwa, Quetzalcoatl, Great Divine Director, Master Himalaya, all the Ascended Masters of the land of Atlantis, Ascended Masters of the land of Lemuria, Ascended Masters within the hollow of the Earth's inner world. I want to acknowledge and invite all the Ascended Masters from beyond our beautiful spaceship Earth, star system Sirius, Ascended Masters from the Orion star system, Ascended Masters from the Palladian star system. Thank you for your musical healing and manifestations in a multitude of ways. I want to also acknowledge all the scientists, sages, shamans, and sorcerers serving the bead of love. Ilekba, Oshun, Yenaya, Orgone, Oya, Orgone, Shango, Ochosi, Obatala. Thank you. I want to acknowledge the divine in you, my brothers and sisters, for surviving airport adolescence of your youth. Thank you for being born. Thank you for being alive. Thank you for surviving. And may you, through the realms of crystals and herbs and amulets and I am chants, realize the purpose that you were born to fulfill your destiny. And we say, in the African Hawaiian words, Mahalo, Ashe, Donada, Wado. So, the view here is, once you get your necklace, you'll notice where the knot is tied there's extra beads to the left. And these are acacia beads from Senegal. That's placed in between the orgone, because in my research, the acacia beads have high orgone energy and amplifies orgone. So here we have acacia wood. This is amethyst. This is the vibranium series. That's the code name, because one of the main ingredients here is germanium. And these with the yellowish golden color is amber and gold. And again, it's the acacia. So again, where the knot is your reference point, right here. And here you will see 3 beads to the left, or you will see 2 carnelian beads. You align it to the left before placing it over your head. Now this holds true for the waist beads, sisters, and also for the necklaces for the sisters and the brothers. Okay, and here again, you have 3 beads. The acacia wooden beads, 3 on the left, 1 on the right. And for those of us who have the larger kahuna-sized beads, this is amber and 24 karat gold in the resin. And here is the acacia with the gold. And this is the vibranium series that includes germanium. To know the correct wearing of this necklace, you will use the center bead as a reference. The center bead, one side is flat. This flat side goes to the right, always before you place it over your head. The flat goes over the head, facing the right, because time moves from right to left. Gravity from right to left. The ancient scriptures, Kemetic, Hebraic, I think even Sanskrit, reads from right to left. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure it is, because the forces of nature, the past is to the right and the future is to the left. So again, showing you the 3 extra beads where the knot is. It goes over your head in this fashion, directly over your head, so that you can optimize the experience of the energy that will benefit you. This holds true for the waist beads. And I'm seeing if I have any waist beads here. At the moment I don't. But it's the same principle of using where the knot is, the 3 bead extra. That's the reference, so you know to place it over your head, and then you can adjust it as needed. With the carnelian, the extra 2 carnelian is again placed over the head for optimal energy and experience of bliss. Oh, here's the waist beads. I have them here. So ladies, when you get, bear with me 1 second, I'm gonna take these out. When you get your waist beads, the bliss beads, now this is the bliss bead size. This is the smallest size, very powerful. You will see carnelian beads on the ends, and on one side you'll have the 2 carnelian beads, and on the right there will just be the acacia. You will place this over your head, but it's adjustable. slip knot so that you can adjust to your waistline. And as you put it over your head, always make sure that the 2 carnelian beads are on the left and the acacia is on the right. But once you have it over your neck, then you can tighten to your comfort. Sisters, the best area for the bliss beads to rest is between your navel and right around your garden. For men, the best place to wear the beads, the acacia beads. Let me see if I do have one here. If you get the shorter version, let the gold bead in the center rest over the heart chakra, the thymus gland, and then adjust with the clasp. All right. This is so that you'll have the correct wear, the correct alignment, and bliss, success is your destiny. All right, here we have to cover also the cleaning of your beads. That's real important. Commonly use Florida water. It's a commercially available alcohol mixed with what is this? Various fragrances. But you can get some rubbing alcohol, put it in a bottle, and then add sage oil, or Palo Santo oil, frankincense or myrrh oil, or do the combination and then spray clean your beads. I say at least once a week, unless you've been around toxic energy or individuals. And you want to clean your neck beads, and ladies, you want to clean your waist beads so that it maintains its original energy, because you don't want energetic transference of people's vibrations that is less than love, light, and bliss. So yeah, I would say do this at least once a week, or if you're around energy that's questionable, do it immediately after, especially if you're going to let somebody try your beads out. And sometimes I let people experience the beads for the personal energy, but I clean them off immediately or within minutes so that I can restore the original vibrations of the orgone and the crystals. That was very important. Once a week, you can do it daily. Now, this is a question I get. Follow your intuition from various individuals and clients, and that is how to recharge your beads and your amulets and your crystals. You can charge your amulets with direct energy of the sun, and you can also charge it up with moonlight. Both of these are different polarities. Sunlight is a very cooling energy, and moonlight is a very warm energy. However, for myself, I just use sunlight, and I also recommend that you connect to the beads with your spoken word or your mental intention. Many people have said that the beads have so much energy at night they can't sleep with the beads on. Simply say, power down, sleep mode, because your amulets, your beads are literally bio-crystal computers. This is ancient technology, so it is energetically alive. So you can direct it with your thoughts, your intentions, for everything from protection, blessing others, and what more can I say other than be mindful of intentionally directing anything less than love and protection to individuals or circumstances. What's really interesting about the beads, and I got to mention this, is that they seem to elevate thoughts to be more of a compassionate, detached um, place of peacefulness, so that negative monkey mind thinking is minimal. So, again, recharging, you can place in the sunlight. If you're around the sands of the beach, if it doesn't have magnets on it, you can place it in the sand. Just be careful where, because you don't want it to get disappear from the shifting sands of the ocean, because sand is a crystal element.